The University of Arkansas Library's Special Collections holds a wide range of manuscript collections and published works that can enhance your research projects. In addition to collections used in our reading room, Special Collections offers access to many materials online through the library's digital collections. This video is a part of our Using Digital Collections series, which provides information on how to navigate and use digital collections over the course of your research. This video will focus on Southland College. Following the American Civil War, Arkansas became home to the first higher education institution for African Americans west of the Mississippi River, called Southland College. Originally founded by a Quaker couple in 1864 as an orphanage for African American children who were orphaned or abandoned during the Civil War, Southland College grew to educate African American students and employ African American teachers. Unfortunately, Southland College closed in 1925 after years of financial instability. This digital collection documents the history of Southland College and the lives of those who lived, learned, and worked there. The project was digitized by the University of Arkansas Libraries and completed in May of 2017. To access the digital collections, you can go directly to digitalcollections.uark.edu, or you can navigate to the digital collections from the Special Collections homepage by selecting the Digital Collections tab above the search bar. Let's say I'm interested in learning about teachers at Southland College. One way I could perform this search would be to use the search bar under the Digital Collections tab from the home page. I'm going to search for the term teachers. My search results show me items from all the digital collections, but I'm specifically interested in materials from the Southland College collection. So I'm going to narrow my search by deselecting the other collections listed and selecting only Southland College and clicking Update. I can select an item to look at more closely by clicking on the item title. Once I've selected an item, I'm brought to the record for that item. This page includes a preview of the item as well as some basic information about it, like the title, date range, a brief description of the item, any notes related to the item, location information, as well as publication information and copyright information. The list of subjects in red will link me to all other items that were also assigned this subject. I can download the item by clicking on the download icon. If I'm looking at a text-based item, like a catalog, I'll be able to search the full text of the issue for my search term once I've downloaded the item. Another way I could perform this search would be to browse the digital collections and narrow my search from there. Selecting Browse Digital Collections will show me all the digital collections. Selecting Southland College takes me to the home page for this collection. This page provides historical background as well as information about how the collection was digitized and made available online. To search within this collection, select the Browse This Collection button located at the top and bottom of the screen. Browsing the collection shows me all items within it, a total of 53 items. I can then narrow my search by date, creator, or subject. Research isn't a linear process, so you may need to adjust your search filters and search strategies multiple times to find the materials you are looking for. For more information about the University Library's digital collections, please visit digitalcollections.uark.edu.